Behold, a decadent layer of rich, melted cheese cascading over a soft, pillowy crust, or crispy bird's nest rice mounds cradling a velvety, slow-flowing egg yolk. Welcome, dear friends, to the peaceful sanctuary of Cooking Tips 5S. Sometimes, when hunger strikes, waiting for food delivery takes far too long. Why not open the refrigerator, grab a few slices of bread, some leftover rice, and a few eggs? Let us magically transform them into two incredibly convenient, quick breakfast creations that taste just as exquisite as those from a gourmet restaurant. Before we begin, observe the rustic ingredients gathered gracefully across the kitchen counter. A few slices of soft, airy sandwich bread, vibrant red and green bell peppers, a juicy half of an onion, a savoury sausage or Vietnamese pork ham, a bowl of rich cheese and, of course, our familiar fresh chicken eggs. Every item is a simple staple readily available in your refrigerator. To start, we swiftly dice the bell peppers, onion, and sausage into uniform cubes. Gently sauté this colourful medley in a skillet with a whisper of cooking oil until tender and beautifully aromatic. Then transfer it temporarily to a plate. With 3 slices of sandwich bread, cut diagonally into clean triangles. Whisk 3 egg yolks until smooth. Over a skillet coated with a delicate mist of oil, arrange the bread slices into a seamless circle, then slowly pour the whisked eggs around them. Cover the skillet with a lid to distribute the heat evenly. As the egg cooks, it binds the bread slices together, forming a sturdy, unified crust. Once set, gently flip the crust over to sear the other side. Now, spread a rich, savoury layer of tomato ketchup evenly across the surface. Scatter the sautéed vegetable and sausage medley over the top, and finally blanket everything in a generous layer of mozzarella cheese. Cover with the lid for a few minutes. The trapped heat works its magic. The cheese melts completely into a luxurious elastic pool, beautifully enveloping the soft, airy crust. Watching this molten cheese cascade has awakened your appetite. While we leisurely cook, Cooking Tips 5S is deeply curious to know which city or country you are watching this video from. Please leave a comment to let our kitchen know. If you still have a bit of leftover rice in the cooker, let us utilize the remaining sautéed vegetables to create a hearty, comforting dish. Thoroughly mix the leftover rice with the sautéed vegetables. Fold in the egg whites saved from earlier to prevent any waste, which beautifully infuses the rice with a delicate aroma. Season with a tiny pinch of fine sea salt and a scattering of ground black pepper to deepen the flavour profile. To create a beautiful presentation, fill a small glass with seasoned rice, packing it tightly. Then invert it onto a lightly oiled skillet to form sturdy, elegant rice cylinders. Using a fork, mindfully press a small indentation into the centre of each rice mound to fashion a nest. Gently crack an egg, separate the radiant golden yolk and nestle it into the heart of the cradle. Cover with the lid and maintain a gentle, low simmer. The moment the base of the rice turns beautifully golden and crisp, filling the air with a toasted aroma, while the yolk achieves a tender, soft poached perfection, the dish is complete. Gently slice through the rice nest, allowing a velvety golden ribbon to flow out and weave through the savoury seasoned grains. A single bite is enough to dissolve all weariness.